Hi, my name is Dave and this is my sister.
My name is Presley.
And this is my brother. Bo. Today we're making
Chocolate chip muffins and
lemon muffin. First, put the tape bits in a bowl. Pour half a cup of milk.
my cake takes 3 eggs.
My take two eggs. Put half a glass of olive oil.
Mix it up and then add your chocolate chip. I greased my pan with butter.
And then you pour it in.